tech stocks, which have been high flyers, seeing some more profit taking in the early going this morning after many of those big companies, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, they were all down Thursday and appear to be poised for more selling pressure in the early going this morning. We got the NASDAQ futures contract down by just over 1%. We'll be tracking gold stocks on the TSX today because the price for the precious metal is up by now $3.50 at $1,893 an ounce, and that puts it $30 away from its previous all-time record high on an intraday basis. And oil is now turning higher by 28 cents at $41.34 per barrel. We have a buyout offer on the table for Brooks Brothers, that historic menswear brand, which filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. The operator of Barney's New York says it would buy Brooks Brothers for about $300. As July edges closer to being Toronto's hottest on record and heads up for a major closure of the Gardner this weekend.
The Blue Jays are in Tampa Bay to play Game 1 of 60 as the Yankees and Dodgers were winners on Day 1 of MLB action. Sports at 45.
Cautious morning on the markets led by a tech sector downturn. Gold is gleaming again. And we're seeing how people are buying things in the pandemic. It's all about e-commerce business at 56. 680 News Time, 8:31.
Time for traffic and weather together on the ones brought to you by Roto-Rooter Emergency Services. Here's Eva Fredescatos. Well, we have ongoing delays right now. If you are eastbound on the 401, those problems east of Weston and the Express, they have all cleared away, but eastbound 401 still moving very slowly from approaching Renforth in the Express, Kipling in the collectors right through to Weston, both Express and collector lanes, so leave lots of extra time there.
Was more your thing.